Looking better and feeling better is just a phone call away. MDX Wellness Clinic board-certified physicians are here to help with aesthetics and facial rejuvenation, as well as non-surgical hair loss. Look years younger. Our doctors can create a natural filler to restore the youthful volume of your face, hands, and décolletage. This is not your typical Botox treatment. It's a longer-lasting, natural process. A minimally invasive, non-surgical method guaranteed to give you a more youthful appearance. Hair beginning to thin? You have a choice. Do nothing, your hair will continue to fall out, or give us a call. We offer non-surgical options that will help men and women regrow thick, healthy hair. Look better, feel better. The MDX Wellness Clinic is here to help. Call 833-777-7375 to book a free private consultation now. That's 833-777-7375.